Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at what we believe is the best low-impact strappy back sports bra currently available online. This is the Heathyoga sports bra for women, a beautifully designed, adjustable, Y-back sports bra that's quickly gaining attention for its comfort, fit, and versatility. If you're into yoga, pilates, walking, or just want everyday comfort with a sleek look, stay tuned. At first glance, the Heathyoga sports bra strikes the perfect balance between performance and elegance. It's designed with a strappy Y-back configuration that not only looks stunning but also allows for a full range of motion without restricting the shoulders. Whether you're stretching in yoga or moving freely during light workouts, this bra stays in place and moves with you effortlessly. It's a pull-on style bra, meaning there are no clasps or hooks to deal with, just a smooth, seamless fit. The material is a blend of 69% nylon and 31% elastane, giving it a buttery soft finish that feels silky on the skin. It's breathable, lightweight, and gives gentle support without digging into your ribs or shoulders. What really sets the Heathyoga sports bra apart is the attention to detail in the design. The adjustable straps make a huge difference in customizing the fit to your body type. Many strappy bras skip on adjustability, but this one makes sure you get the perfect fit whether you're XS or XXL. It hugs your shape without feeling restrictive. And then there's the bottom band, 1.57 inches wide and elasticated for added stability. It keeps the bra grounded no matter how you move, offering a secure feel throughout your day. It doesn't ride up, shift, or slide around like many lower quality alternatives. This bra is ideal for low-impact workouts. So if you're looking for something to wear during yoga, pilates, bar, or simply walking, it checks all the boxes. It's wire-free, so there's no poking or pinching, and the removable pads let you control the level of coverage and shaping you prefer. Whether you want extra lift or a more relaxed fit, this bra gives you options. It's also imported, with a high-quality finish that stands up to washing without losing elasticity or softness. The fabric feels luxurious but is durable enough for frequent wear. And yes, it comes in multiple sizes from XS to XXL and a range of color options, although black is one of the most versatile choices. It's all about the combination of performance, comfort, and aesthetics. It supports without squeezing. It stays in place without being stiff. And it looks great under tanks, tees, or even on its own. Whether you're lounging at home or heading to a light gym session, this bra adapts to your pace. You're getting high-quality material, thoughtful design, and functional adjustability at a very competitive price point. That wraps up today's review on the Heathyoga adjustable strappy sports bra. If you're in the market for a supportive, stylish, low-impact bra that you can wear all day long, this might just be your new go-to. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another in-depth product breakdown. See you next time.